Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make seafood cioppino. The list of ingredients will be down below in the description bar. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's go cook. First, I'm starting off by removing the lobster and the shrimp from their shells, and I will also reserve those shells to make my stock. After I remove them from their shells, I devein the shrimp and wash both the lobster and shrimp with lemon. Then I season them with salt and white pepper and then set them aside. So here I am washing the shrimp and lobster shells that I had on reserve. I'm going to add some fish trimming, and I will be using all of these to make my stock. While my stock is simmering, I'm going to wash my crab legs, clams, and mussels with a brush to get off the excess dirt and other impurities. Moving along, I'm chopping up some shallots and garlic. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cans of whole peeled tomatoes, and I'm going to ask the upstairs to open the can for me because the sister doesn't know how to open a can. No, I don't. And I'm also going to use tomato paste, and he's going to open that for me as well. This is what my fish stock looks like now. It is ready, and I'm going to pour off the liquid through a strainer and reserve for later. Time for the fun part. I'm going to add some olive oil to my pot. Then I'm going to add my shallots and my garlic that I chopped up earlier. So I want to move those around and let them cook for 30 seconds, and then I'll be adding my tomato paste and move that around as well and let it cook for another 30 seconds. I'm adding white wine, and I'm using dry white wine. I'm going to let that cook for a minute so that the alcohol can evaporate. Now it's time to add my tomatoes. And I'm going to use my spoon and smash them a bit, and then let them cook there for another minute. Then I'm going to add some of my reserved fish stock. I'm using about 2 cups, and then I'm going to season my pot. After I finished adding my seasoning, I stir it a bit and leave it to simmer for 10 minutes before adding my crustaceans. It has been 10 minutes, and I'm going to add my crab legs, mussels and clams first because they take the longest to cook. I'm going to cover them to cook until the mussels and clams are open. If all of your mussels and clams are open except for a few, please discard the ones that are not opened. Now it's time to add my fish, and I'm using snapper fish here. And then I'm going to add my lobster, my shrimp, and my scallop. After I finish adding them, I cover the pot to let them cook for another 10 minutes. So this is 10 minutes and it's all done. I'm going to allow it to rest for 1 hour or more. The longer I give it to rest, the better it would taste. If you have tried this recipe, please comment down below and remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!